Welcome to How to Change Excel Sheet Tab Color. In this video, we will learn how to change the color of an Excel sheet tab. We will look at two methods to do this. So let's dive in. Method 1, using Home tab. The first method we will look at to change the sheet tab color is the Home tab method. So currently we're here on Sheet 1. So in order to change the sheet tab color, we can go to the Home tab, then over to the Cells group, then to the Format command, click the down arrow, and then go down to Tab Color, and now I'm going to select this black. And as you can see, Sheet 1 is colored black now. Now let's go ahead and change the color for Sheet 2 as well. So I'm going to go back to the Home tab once again, over to Cells, Format, down arrow, Tab Color, and this time I'm going to select this light blue color. So we can see now that Sheet 2 is this light blue color. So there you have it. The first method to change a sheet tab color is using the Home tab. Method 2, right-clicking Sheet tab. In the previous section, we used the Home tab method to change the sheet color for Sheet 1 to black and Sheet 2 to this light blue. Now in this section, we're going to look at the right-clicking Sheet tab method. So let's go ahead here and change the color for Sheet 3. I'm going to go ahead and right-click Sheet 3, go to the Tab Color, and then select red for the tab color. And as you can see, Sheet 3 is now this red color. So there you have it. Two methods to change sheet tab colors. Method 1, using the Home tab. Method 2, right-clicking the sheet tab. Before we wrap up this video on how to change Excel sheet tab colors, I would like to go through a couple of more points. One thing to note is that while you can change the tab color, you can't change the sheet tab text color. Excel will choose a contrasting text color based on the tab color you choose. So what does this mean? Well, let's take a look at Sheet 1, where we have changed the tab color to black, but Excel has chosen a text color of white. Additionally, in Sheet 2, we changed the tab color to a light blue, and Excel has chosen a text color of black. Another thing to note is that after changing a sheet tab's color, the active sheet tab will display as a gradient from that color to white. So what does this mean? Well, let's take a look at Sheet 3 by selecting it to make it the active sheet. As you can see now, there is a gradient going from this red color for the sheet to a white color. If a different sheet is active, the whole tab appears in the selected color. So in this case, Sheet 3 is the active sheet, so it's displaying with this red to white gradient. Sheet 1 and Sheet 2 are inactive, so thus Sheet 1 is displaying in a whole color black, and Sheet 2 is displaying in a whole color of light blue. In this video, we learned two simple methods to change Excel sheet tab colors. In Method 1, we use the Home tab to change the sheet tab color. In Method 2, we right-click the sheet tab itself to change the sheet tab color. We also discussed a few additional notes regarding sheet tabs. If this video has helped you, please click like, subscribe, and the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Until then, stay inspired and keep learning.